Hello everyone! Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some high in demand haircut ideas that you can try this season. So if you've been thinking of going short and you're in need of a brand new hairstyle, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone start off with a bob. The stylist adds in some color. There is the before. Wow. So he did cut the hair shorter with this hair change as well. Beautiful chestnut brown highlights. I love the dimension. Gorgeous color work. Very nice. Next up, we see the stylist doing an interesting cutting method. So that is a lot of hair. It looks like he's doing a pixie bob variation or very long pixie style. Oh, very fashion forward pixie bob. I really like the shape of this. Very unique and modern. Next up, we see someone with hair just around their shoulders, and bam, another gorgeous color transformation. She looks absolutely stunning. That color really brightened up her complexion. And then we see someone with pink hair. This is like a really pretty rose gold color. Stylist adds in some bangs going there in the front. Very nice. I love the color on this. This is so pretty. Next up, we see someone with hair just above their shoulders. Looks like the stylist is doing another bob for this one. very nice angled shape, a lot of volume with the way that the cutting was done. Very nice. And then we have another bob makeover for our last hair transformation. Gorgeous classic bob style. Very nice. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.